Hi folks, Randy Martinez here from IT Pros Management. Microsoft Teams has become a great productivity tool in today's modern workplace. Like many Microsoft products, it can be installed and used on mobile devices. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device so you can use it anywhere, anytime, on any device. Okay, so let's get to it. So to get the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device, we're going to go ahead and go to the App Store, click on that. We're going to go ahead and search for Teams, or Microsoft Teams. We select that. We're going to go ahead and get that app, and we're going to let it download on our device. If you get prompted for your Apple ID in this case, I'm going to put that in. Now the app is downloading. So now that the Microsoft Teams app has been installed, we're going to go ahead and open it. We're going to go select the user that I'm going to be using, which is B. Wayne. Go ahead and allow notifications. Go ahead and allow access to the microphone. Now we're just going to scroll through these little introductory items. Click on Got It. And now we're logged in. So let's go ahead and take a look. Go to our activity feed. We can see basically that there's information already there that we've been added to groups. We go to our chat. There's a chat conversation that I had with Bruce from my account. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And now if we go to the actual Office 365 portal, we can actually see, if we go into Teams, that we are connected and that the same chat that you are seeing on the mobile device is available on the Teams channel in the Microsoft app. So everything is now synced up. We can now use the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device to communicate, stay in communication with folks, chat, have video calls, meetings, everything that you can do on the desktop app as well as on the Microsoft Teams portal here, you can actually do on the mobile device. So in this video, I showed you how to install the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device so you can use all the features of Microsoft Teams on your mobile device. The app's also available from Google Play Store for your Android devices. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button below to get notified when we release additional training videos to help you navigate your modern workplace. If you have any questions or want to leave any positive comments, please be sure to comment below. Thank you for spending your time with me. I look forward to reading your comments. Take care, enjoy Microsoft Teams, and have a great day.